The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lake County in east central Florida, western Orange County in east central Florida, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:53 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Groveland, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Groveland, Bay Lake, Claremont, Lake Louisa, and Manila. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heat advisory for the following